911, what's the nature of your emergency?
Hands up, don't shoot me down. Pull the trigger, now my life is in your hands now. Oh, only God can judge us, so why you wanna hurt us? No, no, don't shoot me down. Hands up, don't shoot me down. Oh, only God can judge us, so why you wanna hurt us? Oh, man down, man down. Oh, man down, man down. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, no, no, no. Hands up, don't shoot me down.
Or should I fight or walk around with the shot? And that should never be a question, ain't no cop gonna stop me. I'm getting tired watching mothers picking up their kids' bodies. In a world full of madness, for killing's a hobby. But what a feeling just to see us united. The only time we get together is when we fighting the crisis. They don't like it, we know the truth and they see it coming. When it's the riots in St. Luke, fight back, had enough of running. Lord, praying my words roam across the globe. We making life even harder just to carry our souls. Trayvon and Mike Brown, hope you hear me now. Before you see me in heaven, we'll burn this bitch down. Remember me.
No, don't shoot me down. Hands up, don't shoot me down. Oh, only God can judge us, so why you wanna hurt us? Oh, man down, man down. Oh, man down, man down. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, no, no, no.
Yes.
Hands up, don't shoot me down.
A revolutionary mind, how can we gain the peace? Another man down, but the violence never cease. Let's stop the genocide's a problem for years. It hurts my heart to see my own kind killing our peers. Forever trapped in the sandstorm, praying to God on daily basis just to save